Welcome back to our channel. Today we have incredible fascinating topic to share with you all. Welcome. Have you ever wondered how to make faceless video using artificial intelligence? Well, you're in luck. In this video we're going to show you just how to do that just using cutting-edge AI tools. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Add AI-CRYPT extension to your Google Chrome. Step 2. Go to chatgpt. Choose YouTube script creator and give it any topic you want. Step 3. Go to app.pictory.ai. Copy and paste the script from ChatGPT into scripted video on pictory.ai and wait, it will create a video. You can choose any template that you want. After that, you can make your own voiceover or use AI voice too. After you finish, you can download this video and voila! You already made one video in 5 minutes. Start with these 3 niche: health, wealth, relationship. So here how you can make money from it. Take those videos, upload them to YouTube. Do it at least one day. Just keep it doing it consistently and wait till YouTube starts sending you those checks. Go out there, automate it, and rock it. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and tips on using AI tools for creative content.